Welcome everyone to another LogixTrader quick guide. I'm Lachlan, I'm the sales trader here. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trend following system on LogixTrader. Let's get stuck into it. So currently I have the Aussie US dollar up on the chart and you can clearly see a nice downtrend on here. Now, obviously hindsight is a wonderful thing, but it would be lovely to have a set of indicators to identify the trend so you can capitalize on it as a trader. And I'm going to show you a few indicators that you can add to help you identify these trends. The first thing I'm going to do is click up on indicators in the top right here, and I'm going to add a moving average up on the chart. I'm going to click on this settings button here. I'm going to change it from a 5-day moving average to a 50. And I'm going to go ahead and add that on the chart. Then I'm going to add another moving average onto the chart. And I'm going to change that from a 5 to a 50, but instead of the close, I'm going to use the high. And I'm going to add that on, and then I'm going to add another indicator onto the chart, a moving average, add that to, and change that to a 50, and instead of the high or the close, I'm going to add it to the low. And you can see straight away that this seems to be an area on the chart where price likes to pull back into. And we can see when it's pointing down, it confirms that price is in fact in a downtrend. The next indicator I'd like to add up on the chart is a MACD. So I'm going to go ahead and click on oscillators, and I'm going to select the MACD here. Now I'd like to change the settings on that as well, and to do so I just got to click on this cogwheel here. And here I can change the parameters. I'm going to change the fast length to 20. I'm going to change the slow length to 60. And I'm going to change this smoothing here to 20. Now straight away we can see, okay, these moving averages are pointing down, confirming that there may be a downtrend. At the same time, I go ahead and look at the MACD, and it's below the zero line, also confirming that we are in a downtrend. And these are just a few simple indicators that you can add on to your LogixTrader platform to be able to identify what the current trend is. Another handy tool, if you'd like to go a step further, I'm going to add another moving average onto the chart. I'm going to click on its parameters here. I'm going to change it to a 10-day moving average. I'm going to leave it on the close. I'm going to change the style. I'm going to make this one red. Click on save. And we can see that when the 10-day moving averages cross below these 50 days, it also confirms that we're in a downtrend. I'm looking at the MACD, it's confirming as well. And now we have a very simple but effective trend following system. And as you can see, it's very easy to implement on your LogixTrader platform. That's all for this LogixTrader quick guide. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.